to November 2020 Stitch Fix unboxing. I'm back with a November unboxing. I asked for some very specific things when I was requesting my November Stitch Fix. I told them that the olive cargo jacket that I had received all those months ago in a Stitch Fix box, I'll put a card for that here. Of course, that didn't work out. It ended up falling through. And then last month, when I requested again, they said they didn't have it, and that they had seen that I had purchased another olive green cargo jacket, and that one fell through. So I had two separate coat requests for exchanges or purchases fall through, and I was really bummed out about it. So I went ahead and requested the olive cargo jacket again, and I included some things in there about wanting a specific Daniel Rainn sweater, and we'll see if they did it. And I actually opened the box already, and I'm wearing one of the items, and I'm right next to all the rest of them. I decided to do that this time because I was just like, I don't care, I'm not going to wait this time, so I just went for it. It turns out I have a new stylist. Her name is Erica. So I don't know if that means that Lauren's not coming back or she's just taking a break, but I'll go ahead and request her again. I like what she did, but I am going to say that if Lauren is around, I'll take Lauren, either Lauren or Erica, because Erica did a great job. She listened to what I said and did something a little bit close to what I needed without being exactly what I needed. So, hey Dina, happy Fix Day. How's your break going? Fine. Hopefully it has been going wonderfully. No, not really, because it's COVID and, but I mean, it's okay. Today I have a fabulous fix that I can't wait to share with you. I know you were wanting an olive cargo jacket. I am so sorry the ones you purchased exchange fell through. Thank you. I appreciate that. I didn't have an olive green jacket. Okay. However, I did have a dark purple cargo jacket. I love this color for you for two reasons. One, it is more unique than the traditional olive cargo jacket. And two, this jacket will pair better with the teal green skirt in this fix than the olive jacket. Take this jacket and pair it with the Daniel Rainn Lyna pullover, the dark green skirt, and the fashion-forward gray wedge booties. Or you can try the same cargo jacket with the plaid button down, the dark green skirt, and your favorite sneakers. So, all right. I am going to go ahead and tell you the items are fine. They look cute on me. I am going to keep all of them. I'm not going to keep one of them for myself though. So the first thing I'm going to show you is actually what I'm wearing. And this is the Daniel Rainn Lyna crew neck pullover. And I actually had requested in a black floral. I'll go ahead and show you the one I wanted here. And then I'll go ahead and show you this one. This is a one that they ended up sending me. Same style, very, very nice. Daniel Rainn, oh, he does good stuff, or she, I don't know. Whoever is the designer for them. This is actually a dark green with a brighter floral on it. I'll get more into the actual descriptions of these items in the actual review while I'm wearing them. But this is a lovely item. This is a size medium. And this one retails for a little bit of money. It's Daniel Rainn after all. This one is $68. Next is this skirt. This was a skirt she mentioned. She called it teal in one instance and green in the other. It is actually a dark green. This is a size large. It is a skies are blue, Adren texture scallop hem. It's got a hem detail on the bottom. And this one, retails for $54. This is actually a decent price for what you receive on this item. It has pockets. It's got a cute little crochet detailing here. Or sorry, excuse me, like a trim. Yeah, again, I'll go into the specifics on this one in the review itself, which you'll see in a few minutes. Next is the item I am not interested in keeping for myself. It is actually the Mello Day Amarah super soft button down in white. It's a size medium. This one's the least expensive item in here. It's $46. And considering this is the only one I don't like, this is well under the buy all discount amount. So I end up actually not only getting this for free basically, one of these items will become less expensive. So I like the color and everything. It just doesn't fit me very well, and I'm sad about it because it is actually super soft, and it's really well made for the amount of money you actually spend on it. Next up is the Eden Society Holly Contrast Hood Cargo Jacket in dark purple. This is a size medium. This is $78. You know what I find interesting is it's only $10 more than the sweater I'm wearing. So Daniel Rainn really does, like, he's just a more expensive brand. So So here's the jacket. It's really nicely made. It's got a couple pockets. These pockets up here are faux pockets. The hood has that contrast color. It's a dark gray. It's actually quite warm. It's a nice fit. It's very stretchy. I wish it was lined throughout. I think that would make it slip on and off a little bit better, but it's a really nice little jacket. And this one is going to be a keeper as well. These Tom's booties are Kelsey pull-on leather wedge bootie. So they actually are leather, which I'm pleased by. I'm not normally a snakeskin kind of person, to be completely honest with you, but they look really cute on, and they look super cute. I actually, one of the reviews has 4 of the pieces in it. So it has this top, the sweater, this skirt, and the cargo jacket. And they all 4 actually look super cute together. I ended up switching these out partway through for a different pair of booties I think look a little bit better, but I will definitely wear these this winter. They are just neutral enough to work in my wardrobe, but it is, for me, more fashion forward because I don't tend to wear any very much animal print. And these are the most expensive item in here, and they are $99.95. But considering how I like to wear shoes that are more neutral again and again and again, these are actually right up my alley. Okay, but before I actually go to the reviews, I want to call my daughter in because I told her something in the Stitch Fix box is perfect for her. So I know she's excited to see it. CW? CW? Come here. I have something perfect for you. Okay, she's coming. Okay. So I guess I should probably make room for her. Come on, baby girl. See if what her eyes do when she sees it. All right, I'm going to hide it behind my back. Come quickly. They're waiting. I feel like I'm going to start playing the Jeopardy music here. And I think I should. I'm going to play the Jeopardy music right here. And here she is, the girl of the day. She took only a minute and a half to get here. Come, my dear. Come quickly. So, come so everybody can see you. So bend down so they can see you. But if they can't see your face, you have to bend down. No, you have to bend down.
Okay, I don't want them to
No, okay.
Till the next video.
You need to get it. You need to bend down or else I'm not going to give it to you. Ooh. Yes.
Yes.
You like?
Yes.
Slide it on over that. Is it too big or is it okay?
Oh, it's perfect.
Okay, now wait. Slide down so they can see it a little bit closer. Okay, go ahead. Oh yes, it's much better on you than me. Okay, so wait, hold on, it's out of the way. Here, come sit on my lap and show them.
No, I don't want to.
No, come sit so they can see. See? So cute, much better fit for her. So I don't even have to exchange it for another size. I'm super excited. Yeah, you do look really cute. Okay, so I'm glad that we went ahead and solved that problem. So she's going to live in it and love it. It's her favorite color. She loves yellow. Okay, I will see you all later after the reviews. I'm not going to have a wind down or a wind up. Oh, I guess I could go over the amount that everything cost. Okay, so if I was to buy all, which I am, it's going to be $345.95. But I get a buy all discount of $86.49. That makes it go down to $259.46, which then you minus $20 for the stylist purchase credit, and you go down to $239.46. And I would say for these 5 pieces, including making my daughter very happy, I am quite pleased with that amount, and I will enjoy these pieces. So go ahead and enjoy my review, and I will talk to you all very soon, probably for the December Stitch Fix unboxing. You all have a great day. Okay, so I have on 3 of the items, and I will put the 4th on in just a moment. What I have on is the Lyna crew neck pullover. This is by Rainn. It is in this dark green floral color. This here is the skirt is the Skies Are Blue Adren textured scallop hem knit skirt. This is a dark green as well. It has a very pretty little fuzzy texture detail, which I'll show you in a minute. I have on the Kelsey pull-on leather wedge bootie. These are by Tom's, and they're in kind of a snake skin print. And the fourth item that I will be trying on in just a moment is the Eden Society Holly Contrast Hood Cargo Jacket in a burgundy. So from top to bottom, we've got the sweater, we've got the skirt, we've got the shoes. The sweater is actually what I wanted. I actually asked specifically for the Daniel Rainn Lyna sweater in a black floral. And so when I received this, I'm like, oh no, that's not the black floral I meant. The black floral that I meant was a completely different look, but I'm not displeased by this one. When I thought it was black, I was like, well, it's too dark for me. I'm not sure if I can do this much dark. But as it turns out, the black that I thought it was actually a green, and there's a green background with some pretty brighter florals on the front. This is a dark green pocketed skirt, size large. Oh, by the way, this is a medium, size large skirt. Very comfortable, stretchy. And the shoes are snakeskin, and they are 9.5. So from the front, from the side, and from the back, this has the skirt has a elastic band in the back, and that's my least favorite bit of it, but otherwise this is a beautiful skirt. So I'm going to come a little closer and just show the details off. As you can tell, this is it's a little bright. There we go. So there's the dark green background, very pretty blue floral, some yellows and pinks, so very lovely color overall. And from here we have the skirt. It has a scallop at the hem and at the pocket. The pockets are quite deep. And the texture is very pretty. It's kind of a dotted Swiss feel, although of course it is not a dotted Swiss because it is, I mean, I guess it technically would be a Swiss dot, but it's not what you typically think, which usually comes on a lighter cotton. So here's the hem detail. I actually thought I'd hate this skirt. I was 100% convinced that I was not going to keep this skirt. I was like, this thing is not going to work for me. And then trying it on, I'm like, oh, I quite like it. The reason that the elastic bothers me is because my waist is pretty small in comparison to my hips. So I don't know that I'm probably not going to tuck in my shirts, to be completely honest. I will show you how I'll wear this in a moment, but I just wanted to show the pieces off. So I'm going to go ahead and untuck it for you so you can see how I would wear it without. So this is how I'd wear it. I think it looks much better when it's untucked. But it is a skirt that you can tuck shirts into. I would just use the pockets like this and keep it untucked. So these adorable little booties, I was not wanting booties. I didn't necessarily need them. But having a nice pair of wedge heels for wintertime that match everything, this isn't a bad idea for me because I like to wear wedge booties or wedge heels during the summer and the fall and the winter. And what's nice about these is the color can go with everything. I'm not normally a snakeskin person at all, but I think because from far away it doesn't look like snakeskin and it matches almost everything in my wardrobe, this would definitely be a good option. These are 9.5 and they're very, very comfortable. And I've liked all the Tom's items that I've received so far. So this is another winner. All right, this here is the cargo jacket. And this cargo jacket is super cute. As you know, I was trying for an olive green one and they seem to not be successful in sending me any olive green ones, sadly. But this is a pretty, like burgundy color. I think it's a purple color, but it's not super purple. It's not that purple. It's so purple I can't wear it, like the lavenders. So it goes all the way up. It zips up. And then it's got the buttons, which I'm struggling to get close. Oh, they are close. It just didn't make that satisfying snap sound that you hear when you're putting them on. Okay, so here we go. So these are the pockets. They aren't the type that you can slide in from the side. They are the type that you would be able to do like this. If you could take a look a little bit closer. These pockets here, while you think, oh, they would be nice little hand warmers, they are fake. They are not real. But they're added on there because cargo jackets typically have pockets everywhere, so they wanted to add that look. It has a drawstring at the center, which I'll show you in a moment. And from the side, it fits well enough. I like it. I think it's very pretty. I think it suits this outfit. I think it suits a lot of my wardrobe. So the medium fits. I'm not going to go for a large. And then the contrast hood, it's got a contrast hood. I'll show it to you more in the close-up when I do the overview of the box. It's like a dark gray hood. So I like this outfit as a whole from head to toe, but I don't know that I'd actually wear this outfit head to toe with these shoes. So what I went ahead and did is I brought out the shoes that I would wear them with. I would wear these booties with something else. I definitely have plans to wear them with other things. I actually picked another pair of booties that I received last year from Stitch Fix, and these are from the brand Deviate, and they're an exact match for this jacket, and they look really good with the top and the skirt. So I'll go ahead and pull this on briefly for you, so you can see the outfit that I would actually create if I was going to be enjoying this outfit, say tonight, if I was going out. I'm not. Staying home and doing work on a Saturday. I'm living the life, everybody. So here it is with the cute booties by Deviate on. If I don't recall actually reviewing the Deviate booties, but if I did, I'll add a card here. And so here it is with the jacket open. And I come a little bit closer, I can show you the drawstrings. These are strung to be exactly my waist size. I didn't even adjust them. That was done by the company when they sent it to me. So I'm going to put this down so I can show you the outfit as I would wear it, if like I was going out or if I was teaching that day or something. Okay, that's it for these 4 pieces. One more left to go. Hi. Okay, so I have on the last piece, the 5th piece of the whole box, and this is the plaid shirt. It is the Mello Day Amarah super soft button down shirt, and this is in kind of a plaid yellow and black. I actually really like it as a Catholic schoolgirl. You know, this just plaid brings me back to my youth of wearing plaid skirts and, you know, and this of the grunge era. So plaid shirts have been a thing in my life forever. I actually really like this one. It is actually super soft, like super soft. And the yellow and the black and the gray and the white. I like the combination. I think it's actually very pretty. And if it fit, I would definitely buy it for myself. It is a nice fit through here down to here. But the problem is that the last button, I'm going to pull it out so you can see. I don't like tucking in my plaid shirts as well because I would prefer them to be worn loose and open. So everything about this is perfect except for this last button. It's so tight here. It's just, it loses its easiness. And I don't want a plaid shirt that goes open like this and then is too tight around the bottom. And I gather if I had a medium petite, which ended maybe 2 inches shorter, it would actually fit me better because I'm so short torsoed. So from here to here, I'm very short compared to the length of my legs. If I unbutton it, it fits a tiny bit better. But again, I'm just not digging it. I want something that I can button all the way up and down and that fits just super nicely. So I think what I'm going to do is give this to my daughter, and I know she's going to love it. I mean, if it doesn't fit her in this size, then we can size down to the next size because I think they're available still in the smaller size. So while I'm not a fan, you might be, and it might be something you'd like to request. This is a medium, by the way. And if I bought a large, it would be fine through here, but then it would be too large up here. So I'm just being fussy about it, and I'm not going to get this for myself.